In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on FaceTime on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone, you may want to use the FaceTime application to put a call through or make video call on your iPhone. So just like this, just click on that and then you should see your FaceTime putting up a video call for you. You can see I have my FaceTime like this. So I can just make a video call with anyone on this application, same as all iPhone users. It doesn't matter whether your iPhone is iOS17 or is iOS15. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily turn on your FaceTime application on your iPhone. If at the end of this video you find this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on FaceTime, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down, just like this, until you get to FaceTime status. Then click on FaceTime, then turn on this feature. And once you turn on the feature, you see that says turn on FaceTime, then click on that. Once you click on that, your FaceTime application will turn on and it will try to use either your email or your phone number to create a FaceTime account. And then you should see all this feature once the FaceTime application is turned on. However, if the FaceTime application is not activated successfully, you should see activation unsuccessful. All you need to do to fix this is just first restart your iPhone, and once that is done, come back and then turn on the FaceTime application again and then come back to your FaceTime. Here you'll be able to make a video call using the FaceTime by creating a link or new FaceTime. So you can just click on new FaceTime and select friends using FaceTime here, or create a link and then share the link with your friends and family to join your FaceTime video. So this is how to turn on FaceTime on your iPhone. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.